So we have a piece here and we need to open it inside Ableton Live. So what we need to do first, we have to check our settings, the time signature and the BPM. In our case we have 180 and 3/4 as a time signature, so you just have to enter those information. Here we are. So we go back inside MuseScore and then you can see so what we need to do, it is to import our piece in this format. To do that, we go to file, export, and then we choose a MIDI file and export and save. We save inside the laptop, so we take what we save, we bring it inside Ableton Live. Here we are. We just have to paste it. Yeah. So here we are. From now, it's quite simple. We need to put some VST instrument on our MIDI tracks. So we have the grand piano. Here we are. And then we can listen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.